CCE is an anchor institution in this community, and we help serve adult learners. We help provide them with opportunities to grow and develop their careers.
I love CCE because I get to work with some of the brightest people in the area. I get to work at a wonderful university, and I just have a great time connecting with people and helping them achieve their goals.
I love CCE because I am a lifelong learner, so I believe in the mission of what we do. I always get very excited when I attend program graduations, seeing all the people who have all the new inspirations in terms of how to go back to the workplace and use what they have learned from what we offer.
It opens doors for you because you meet new people, you get to get new insight. So it's a great environment to welcome people from all different international-based backgrounds to different areas of Sacramento and network.
It's been an amazing and empowering experience to be here for the past 4 years, and I've had the opportunity to take several of our certificate programs, and each and every one of the classes and the people that I've met in there have made a difference to me.
I love CCE because of the people. I've always loved CCE because of the people. There's some amazing co-workers, and we do work that I feel is beneficial. It's a positive output into the community. And that's something I've always wanted.
And I was a person who was a mid-career professional who came back to college to finish my degree, and my bachelor's degree, and I found and discovered the limitlessness of my own potential through the experience, and I am so proud to be part of an organization that gives back in that way. I want to pay it forward.
I love CCE because there's a good group of folks that are committed to this, that work together in it, that know the community, that are very much a part of the community. So I think CCE has that community trust.
So CCE is one of the 8 colleges here on campus. It's a college that is here to make a difference in the students' lives.